Hi everyone! Today I'll be taking you through our new online registration software called Booking. We will go through, set up an account, and then register for a course. Step 1, into your browser, type in peaceriver.ca/registration. You'll be taken to the Town of Peace River course catalog. Now before we can register, we must set up an account. So step 2 is click the home button and then create account. From here you have the option to create an individual or family account. You can sign your whole family up right now, or if you click individual, you can add them in later. The screen will then prompt you to fill out all of the required fields indicated by red text. This includes first and last name, address, phone number, email, choosing your own password, entering your emergency contact information, your birth date, and any other relevant medical information. Once you scroll to the bottom and fill out the security check field, you can then click Next in the bottom right-hand corner. As you can see, you have now completed steps 1 and 2 of your account activation. Step 3 requires you to go into the email you used to fill in your contact information and open your inbox. There you'll find an email from the Town of Peace River, subject line Account Activation. Click the link highlighted in blue, and you'll be taken to your third step, Account Activated. Your first step is to go to our course catalog by clicking Courses on the top menu bar. From here, you'll find your desired course, and then click Register Now. Now comes the easy part. You'll be taken to your shopping cart where you can review the courses you are looking to register for. If all the information is correct, click Checkout. Some courses require specific information during registration. If this is the case, it will be indicated in red text. Input your response and then click Next. Normally, this is where you'd enter your credit card information to pay for your course online. However, this course is $0, so all you need to do is check over the information, make sure it's correct, and then click Finish. And there you have it. Your online receipt has been generated and you are now enrolled in your desired course. From here you have 3 options. You can choose to print your receipt from this page, or you can go into your account under History where you'll see your registered course and you can print it from there. Your third option is to go into your email and check your inbox. Here you'll find a receipt for your course enrollment. In that email, there'll be 2 links, 1 to our refund policy and 2 back into your account information. Congratulations, you have now successfully made an account and registered for a course. If you have any more questions, contact us at guestservices@peaceriver.ca or call 780-624-3204.